Hello there, this is Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. 2 days ago, I just finished writing a 16-chapter direct mail marketing book, a teaching tutorial to teach people about direct mail. And I just made this flyer. And I wrote a little blurb about why do you want to read this book. It's 16 chapters. There's 10 chapters, but I added like 6 bonus chapters. So it says right here, here's what you will learn and gain from reading this book, written by author Michael Jensen. That's me. Excuse me. This is a comprehensive how-to guide, 16 full chapters. The first bullet point is discover why direct mail is still thriving and how to tap into it profitably. Learn how to start earning from home with postcards, flyers, cover letters, and print ads. Understand the secrets behind creating response-driven mail pieces that convert. Find out which offline publications, niche-related direct mail publications, which ones are gold mines for all mail order success. So you can post in magazines that are good places to post ads. You can master the art of attracting and converting leads without talking, without texting, without social media, without technology, just using direct mail. Uncover how to duplicate your efforts and grow a team using mail order strategies. It will teach you to explore ways to create residual income streams that grow over time. Learn how to track, test, and scale your results and scale your business with confidence. Teaches you how to avoid common pitfalls and stay motivated even when others give up and quit. Create a simple, low-tech, proven home business system that works. There's my contact information, 352-286-8014. If you're interested in this book that I wrote, 16 chapters, give me a call. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Let me know you're interested in the book that I wrote about direct mail. Nobody has a copy of this yet. I just finished it 2 days ago. There is my email address. You can write me there if you want to contact me through email. 123localfriends with an S at gmail.com. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to make this an affiliate program to where people can buy the book and make money selling the book and get a commission from it. I haven't decided yet, but call me and we can talk about it. Right now it's April 18th, 2025. Actually, that's when I wrote this email, and then I turned the email into a flyer. This is what the whole flyer looks like. It's got a Hello Kitty mailbox with cash on the bottom. It's got a book. It's got a funnel with money. There is one of my websites, dailycashteam.com. You can reach me through there and get on my mailing list, my email list. There's my phone number again. Reach out to me. Let me know you're interested in this direct mail marketing book. If you want to make money mailing postcards, flyers, or using business cards, drop cards, all kinds of print tools, you can post them on bulletin boards at laundromats, beauty salons, barbershops, grocery stores, mom and pop stores, wherever you can. Business cards are very, very affordable and low cost. use QR codes to drive people to a video or to a website or to contact you. Lots and lots of information in these 16 full chapters. A comprehensive guide. Reach out to me, 123localfriends@gmail.com, or my phone number, 352-286-8014. I am Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. I haven't counted how many pages it is yet, but 16 full chapters. God bless you. Jesus loves you. He's coming soon. Come to Christ. Get born again. Thanks. I'm Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. Bye-bye.